Today we're going to be looking at the AI voice agents. We're going to look at a specific use case, which is the auto sales use case. And I'm going to show you a little demo and a little bit about behind the scenes, some of the code and how it's all put together. All right, so here you can see that we have our little demo page, which is allowing you to test the AI voice agent for auto sales. So the idea would be it's very similar to a typical website where you can buy cars or at least inquire about specific cars, get more information, and you'd fill out your name and phone number, and then the AI voice agent would call you and try to do an appointment setting conversation, try to schedule in for a test drive and answer any questions you have about financing or whatever. So question for you is, which car do you want? Do you want the 2021 Porsche 911? It's a very sleek convertible, $100,000. It's in mint condition, only has 10,000 miles. So you can see it's a really nice dark blue. Or do you want the 1961 Trabant, which is a true remnant of Soviet era engineering? It's very sturdy. It's an East German car, and it can be had for only $1,100. And it has 750,000 miles. So you know that it's stood the test of time. I know, I'm definitely a connoisseur of the vintage auto, so I'll probably be picking this one. And filled in my name, Levi, and my phone number, and then the idea would be, okay, so we click submit. I don't know if I clicked it. Let's try it again. Submit. All right, and now we have this little window, and I should be having my phone ringing. So you can see my phone's ringing, and we're going to pick up and put it on speaker.
Hello, this is Roberto from AutoMaster calling. I'm following up on an inquiry you made about a 1961 Trabant. I wanted to confirm some details about the car and see if you have any questions. This is a true remnant of Soviet-era engineering, a real classic that's in mint condition. It has 750,000 miles on it, which just shows how durable and long-lasting this car is. We have it priced at $1,100. I know that's a great deal, and I wanted to see if you'd be interested in coming in for a test drive. Are you still interested in this vehicle? Let me know if you have any other questions.
It's kind of expensive, to be honest. I don't know if you can knock anything off the price. I know it's pretty old model, but is there any way you could knock anything off the price?
You know, I totally understand. This is a pretty unique and vintage car, so the price tag reflects that. But I'm happy to work with you on the price. Let me see what I can do. How about we knock it down to $990? That's the best I can do, but I really think it's a steal at that price, especially for the condition and mileage on this car. What do you say? Are you ready to come in and take it for a spin? I've got to tell you, this thing is going fast. We've had a lot of interest, so I'd hate for you to miss out on this opportunity. When can I get you in to check it out in person?
How about next Tuesday at 2 p.m.?
Next Tuesday at 2 p.m. works perfectly. I'll go ahead and get that test drive scheduled for you. I'm really excited for you to see this Trabant in person. I think you're going to love it. Just to confirm, we'll plan for you to come in next Tuesday, May 21st at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll make sure the car is ready and waiting for you. I look forward to meeting you then and showing you around this classic. Have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you next week.
Thanks. Okay, so I think that's definitely a work in progress as far as the conversational style and what it's asking. But to give you a little bit of background, the agent is configured with certain things. There's a prompt that is configured for the agent where you tell it that its name is Roberto. It's calling from AutoMaster. It's a car dealership in South Florida. And the idea is whatever car is added to this prompt, you should try to pitch that car to the user, tell them about the price, mileage, year of the car, and if they try to negotiate price, you're allowed to reduce the price by up to 10%. So that's why it got me the price down to $990 or whatever it was. But I think the idea is keep your answers short. Yeah, so it's trying to be casual, but at the same time, it has some guardrails set up. And I think this is where I'm looking to improve, where I want to prevent users from being able to bypass and try to get the AI to agree to certain things that it shouldn't agree to. So, but the key idea, the use case here is just people are so busy, businesses are so busy that if they can have the AI at least answering the calls or doing the outbound dials for any leads like this user who's inquiring about a car, then the AI is not really going to be negotiating, but it's just trying to convey information and trying to persuade you about, how this car is the right car for you and to come in, and then really a human can take it from there. So there's not too many actions that need to be taken here. I do want to configure it to work with Google Calendar or some kind of appointment scheduling software. I think that would be really neat. But the idea is basically when the user fills out this form, so they put in their name and their phone number, we log that, and then we send that over and combine it with the agent prompt. So then the agent knows the user's name is this, and they inquired about this specific car. And then these are your guardrails and what you're trying to convey to them. So I think it's very interesting. I definitely think there's even more room for AI voice agents in the inbound customer service type of space. That's definitely not a new space to innovate in, but I'm going to try to create some kind of demo for customer service agents, like an airline or an e-commerce company, and see if I can help build these out for companies. So if you're interested in learning more about this, or if this is something that you think would be right for your business, just put a comment below or send me a message, and I'm happy to chat with you. Thanks.